Welcome to Fortinet SMB Digital Zone powered by Exclusive Networks. I'm here to help you summarize the experience you will encounter today. After you fill the registration form, you can visit the cinema's lounge area and watch a quick glimpse of Exclusive Team's special message for you on both the screens. To watch a video, you're requested to click the play button on the screen. You can then go and visit all the cinemas. In order to choose where you want to head, you can watch a quick trailer video outside each cinema on the screens explaining what's lined up for you inside each cinema. After watching the trailer, you can click on the door that leads you inside the cinema. On the cinema's main screen, you can click and choose the assets you want to watch and understand more about. Cinema 3 is the empowerment zone where you can get certified by gaining insights on the NSE 1, 2, and 3 curriculum. You can go to the Fortinet portal and give the exam, and those who get certified from the SMB zone will be qualified for a one-of-a-kind gift hamper from Fortinet and Exclusive Networks. By the way, let me tell you, there is a special points collection game planned for all our Digital Zone visitors. To qualify, you need to watch all the videos and all the assets, be it a brochure or presentation or any other asset in the cinema, because each asset will help you earn points. Once you've collected all your points, you can go to the refreshment corner and claim the gift hampers. Have a wonderful experience!